In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new ad account using Meta Business Suite. Whether you're new to digital marketing or looking to expand your advertising toolkit, setting up an ad account is a crucial step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Meta account. If you're already familiar with the interface, just head over to the Meta Business Suite. Alternatively, you can go directly to the settings by navigating to business.facebook.com or settings. This shortcut is handy if you're planning to make adjustments right away. Once you've landed on the Business Suite homepage, look towards the left side menu. Here, find and click on Settings. This menu is your gateway to several administrative options, and today, our focus is on ad accounts. Go ahead and click on the Accounts tab, which will further drop down to reveal the Ad Accounts option. Select it, and you'll be on the right track. Now that you're in the Ad Accounts section, you'll see a button labeled Add. Clicking on this presents a drop-down menu. Here you'll want to opt for Create a New Ad Account. This will take you to a form where you'll input your ad account details. Let's walk through these details. You'll need to enter the ad account name. Make it something descriptive so it's easily recognizable. Then select your time zone. This is particularly important because it dictates when your ad schedules run. Don't forget to choose your currency. This will be the currency in which you'll manage your advertising expenses. So make sure it aligns with your billing preferences. After entering all the necessary details, click on the Next button. Up next is associating your newly created ad account with a business portfolio. This step ensures your ad account is precisely where it needs to be for optimal management and tracking. Select the appropriate business portfolio and then press Create Ad Account. Before finalizing, you'll need to confirm that you agree to the terms and conditions. Simply tick the box to accept. Upon doing this, your ad account is almost ready to go live. You'll notice a prompt asking for your payment information. It's optional to enter this now, so if you're not ready, no worries. You can set this up later. However, if you're eager to get started with advertising, click on Add Payment Info. You can also complete this step anytime by visiting the Payment Methods tab within your billing and payment settings. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully created a new ad account using Meta Business Suite. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.